Hurricane Helene's destruction across the southeast of U.S. has left at least 105 people dead, millions without power, and several families stranded in floodwaters, according to a media report. Deaths have been reported in South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, North Carolina, Virginia, and Tennessee. Buncombe County in North Carolina has received around 600 missing people's report as well. Meanwhile, U.S. President Joe Biden has assured that his administration is coordinating with state and local officials to provide necessary support and resources to communities affected by Hurricane Helene.